Hey everyone, we have a set, our front pair of Nissan Sentra Spec-V. These are 4-piston Brembo calipers that the customer sent in. We're in pretty beat up shape, and he went with the full rebuild and refinish service. These were done in a powder coat finish. Color is candy red. So the rebuild includes all brand new piston seals, dust boots. We also clean up the pad clips and replace the bolts there. We replace all of the mounting or the bolts that hold the caliper halves together with brand new. We got new bleeder valves and caps and a set of decals to complete the look. He went with black decals, so we did these black bolts to kind of pull in together with that theme. So if you have some calipers that need some servicing, check us out at VisionAutoworks.com and contact us for a quote. Thanks.